Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online English language classes. Like many teachers in this day and age, I often get text messages or WhatsApp messages from my students about all manner of things, but sometimes they're messages explaining why students won't be able to come to class. I got one such message from a student last week, which basically said, "Hey, I'm really sorry to let you know, but I won't be able to come to class today. I won't be able to make it because I've done my back in." If you do your back in, you hurt your back really badly somehow. Maybe you slip a disc, like in your spine where you have the bones that make up your spine. In between these, you have little discs to stop the spinal vertebrae rubbing together. And sometimes those slip and you end up basically standing like this because you can't stand up properly because your back hurts too much. Maybe if you do your back in, you pull a muscle in your back and it becomes very, very difficult to move, very painful to move. I've done my back in a few times in my life, mostly as a result of playing football, and I know how painful it is. Usually for the next couple of weeks after doing your back in, you wake up thinking, "Oh God, my back's killing me." You can also do your knee in or do your ankle in, but the most common thing that you do in is your back. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. It helps us with the algorithm. Make sure you share the video with your friends, colleagues, family, distant relatives. And in the comment section below, we'd love to hear examples of how you might use "I've done my back in" or "I did my back in"